Okay, let's go.
Hey guys, we're going to do a quick video on HYDRA V3. I am going to be cleaning my car after a visit to SEMA and some local trips, and we're going to see how well HYDRA V3 does on this stuff. Let's take a look at the car. So she is dusty, super dirty, at least super dirty for me and how I like to keep my vehicle. So we've got some sandy, dusty, dirt funk stuff. We've got some bird poop that's been baking on there since my trip to SEMA. Some more bird poop. This is the lovely world of parking in a parking structure. Some more dust. Some more bird poop. Some more dust. And some more bird poop. So, we're going to go through a quick Rinseless Wash with V3 HYDRA from Phoenix EOD, and we'll see how well it does. see, the bird poop that used to live here no longer lives here. We had bird poop on this glass. We had bird poop on this ledge. All gone. We had bird poop here. No longer there. And the biggest spot of all was right here. And you can see that's not there anymore either. Alright guys, so I think the results are pretty clear. Rinseless won over the bird poop. So if this is your scenario and you're wondering if a rinseless wash will take care of your vehicle, you're afraid, you're uncomfortable, you're not really sure if that's the course of action you want to take, I hope this video gives you a little bit more courage and a little more insight to see that with a rinseless wash, it's definitely a great way to take care of your vehicle in a safe manner and get rid of bird poop or basically anything that's on your vehicle. Disclaimer to this vehicle is ceramic coated, so that helps. And if that's your case, if your vehicle is ceramic coated, then you're one step closer. If not, then definitely step one is get your vehicle ceramic coated, and then you'll be able to take care of these maintenance washes for your vehicle really easy with a rinseless wash solution. You could do it here in your garage without having to be outside and pulling out the hose and all that. So I hope this video helped you out in making that decision, and I'll see you on the next one.